Noise is a major issue for all of us. 80 million EU citizens live in unacceptably noisy areas. Being exposed to loud noise for a long time in the office place or factory can lead to health issues such as hearing loss, tinnitus, and stress. Causes are multiple. Acousticians play an essential role in reducing the harmful effects. Reducing aircraft engine noise to minimize plane disturbances. Lowering internal cabin noise so drivers can hear the radio.
Tweaking vacuum cleaner design for stronger performance without it being too loud.
Managing transportation vibrations. Acousticians team up with design and manufacturing groups to offer a complete one-stop solution. Professionals who work in the field of environmental noise make up about half of the Institute of Acoustics membership. Most work in local authorities or acoustic consultancies. If you're looking for a fascinating career in which you can successfully channel your maths and science skills, then why not explore the diverse world of acoustics?